안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, everyone. This is Genie. Jenie쌤이에요. So today we're going to study adjective verb 아유, 어유, which is a present tense in Korean. So are you ready for this? All right, let's take a look at it together. So 아유, 어유 is a sentence ending for the present tense. This is important. And they are mostly used for daily conversation and informal conversations with people of higher status and with people you do not know well. Here are some examples. First one, I eat, 먹어요. And do you eat, 먹어요? What can you tell from the example? The first one, it's the statement, and the second one, it's the question, but they look the same. So 아유, 어유 is a sentence ending for the present tense, but you can use it for the statement and also for the question. But since they look exactly the same, for the statement, you have to lower the intonation at the end, and for the question, you have to raise the intonation at the end. Okay, then let's repeat after me. First one, 먹어요. Intonation goes down. Again, 먹어요. But for the question, it goes up at the end, so it will be 먹어요. 한 번 더 따라하세요. Let's repeat after me one more time. 먹어요. 좋아요, 잘했어요. Alright, very good. Then let's move on. So if the last vowel of the stem of the adjective and verb is a or o, then 아유 is used. So for example, here we have 살다, to live. And after you take out 다, the last vowel ends with a. That's why you have to put 아유. So it will be 살아요. 살아요. I live. If the last vowel of the stem of the adjective and verb is all other vowels, then 어유 is used. So here, 먹다. Take out 다, and it's other vowels, not a, not o. So you have to put 어유. So it becomes 먹어요. I eat. And if the adjective and verb ends in 하다, then you change it to 해요. So here we have 운동하다, just change 하다 to 해요. So it becomes 운동해요. I exercise. 운동해요. Alright, then let's repeat after me. First one is 살아요. 살아요. And then 먹어요. 먹어요. Last one, 운동해요. 운동해요. Alright, then let's move on to 연습, practice. Again, like last time, I'll give you a few minutes to do this first. Maybe you can pause the video and change these basic forms into present tense, 아유, 어유. Alright, then are you done? Okay, then let's try this from number 1. So the answers. Number 1. Take out 다. It ends with a. So you combine with 아유. So it becomes 알아요. Number 2. Take out 다 from the basic form. And it ends with o vowel. So again, you have to put 아유. 놀아요. 사다. Take out 다. It ends with 아. So it will be 아유 together. So 사요. 만나다. Take out 다. It ends with 아. So you have to put 아유 again. So it's 만나요. 오다. Take out 다. It ends with 오. So again, you have to put 아요. And it's supposed to be 오, 아요. But you can put these two together into 와, 와요. If you read this one really fast, 와, 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 it becomes 와, 와요. Alright, the next page. Here we have another 5. So I'll give you another minute to do this one. Alright, are you done? Let's see the answers for these 5. So the 읽다, first one, will be 읽어요. Okay, same as before. Take out 다 from the basic form and last vowel. It's not a, it's not o. So put 어요. So it's 읽어요. 웃다, take out 다. It ends with u vowel. So you put 어요. Very good. And 열다, same thing. Take out 다, and it's not a or o. The last vowel ends with 여. So you go with 어요, so it becomes 열어요. 마시다, take out 다. It ends with e, so it will be 어요. 마시어요. But when you read these two really fast, it becomes 여, so can be 마셔요. And 가르치다, same as 마시다. You can make it shortened form, 여, 가르쳐요. Okay, this one, let's repeat after me. Number 1, 읽어요, 읽어요. And then number 2, 웃어요, 웃어요. Number 3, 열어요, 열어요. Number 4, 마셔요, 마셔요. Number 5, 가르쳐요, 가르쳐요. Here's some hidden pronunciation rules. For example, number 1, 2, and 3. I didn't read it as 읽어요, 웃어요, or 열어요. Instead, I read it as 읽어요, 웃어요, and 열어요. I will upload this pronunciation rules later on. But if I make it shortly, if you have 받침 down here, and if the circle follows, then you have to put 받침 sound up there. That's why it becomes 읽어요, 웃어요, and 열어요. Okay, then last page. Last practice, actually. So these are all the 하다 ending. So let's try this one. You can pause the video and try it first. Are you all done? Alright, let's try it together. 말하다 will be 말해요. And 공부하다, 공부해요. 일하다, 일해요. So this one, they all end with 하다, so you have to change it to 해요. Okay, then these ones as well. Let's repeat after me. Number 1, 말해요. Let me erase this first. Number 1 again, 말해요. Number 2, 공부해요. And last one, 일해요. Alright, then that's it for today's lesson. And I'll see you again soon in my next class. 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕히 가세요. Bye.